Finding the center and the radius of a circle given the equation. So, kabaligtaran siya ng mga naunang na-discuss natin. Yung mga nauna, given na yung center tsaka radius, hanapin mo lang yung equation. Okay? Mag-review tayo ng kaunti. Ang natandaan nating forms of equation ng circle ay meron tayong tinatawag na standard form of a given circle. Ang standard form natin, dalawa. Okay? The first one is when the center is located at H and K, and when the center is located at the origin, ito origin, which is 0 and 0. Okay? Yung standard form, kapag ang iyong equation, ang center ng iyong equation ay nasa H and K, your standard form will be x minus h, quantity square, plus y minus k, quantity square is equal to r square. So, ganyan ang itsura ng standard form kapag ang center mo nasa h and k. So, ibig sabihin si h at si k, integers sila na nasa Cartesian plane. Okay? Next, ang center mo naman ay nasa origin. Ang standard form mo ay x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So, ganyan yung itsura ng equation mo. Okay? Next, meron din tayong tinatawag na general form. Okay? General form. GF na lang. So, si general form naman, ang itsura niya ay x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So, ganyan si general formula. Okay? Gagamitin natin yung mga idea na yan para makuha natin yung center at saka radius ng isang circle. Okay? Now, let's have an example. Say, find the center and the radius of the circle x squared plus y squared is equal to 64 and then draw its graph. Yung sketch ng graph natin, I will discuss how to use the GeoGebra Geometry app. Ihiwalay ko yung video niya. Isasama ko din sa list natin. Ipopost ko din kasabay ng video na ito. Okay? So, separate lang natin siyang i-discuss. Okay? Para mas mabilisan lang tayo. Next, ito yung equation natin. Okay? Kung ganito ang equation natin, anong center nito? Is it H and K or at the origin? Ang itsura niya ay x squared plus y squared is equal to 64. So, ibig sabihin, kung ganito siya, the center is located at the origin. So, ang center mo ay 0, 0. 0 and 0. Okay? So, ang hinahanap mo na lang dito ay ang iyong radius. Next, how to get the radius? So, x squared plus y squared is equal to 64. Itong 64 na ito, r square siya, tama? So, yung 64, i-convert mo siya sa kanyang exponential form. So, ibig sabihin, hanapin mo yung square root ng 64, o kaya hanapin mo yung isang number na kapag minultiply mo sa sarili niya, ang sagot ay 64. Ano yung number na yon? Okay, that is 8. Tama? So, 8 square. 8 times 8 is 64. Okay? So, tapos isusulat mo lang siya, i-rewrite mo siya as like that. Therefore, the center now is located at the origin or 0, 0, 0 and 0 and the radius is 8. Okay? So, that's it. Napakadali. Kapag ang given equation mo na standard form ay nasa ang center niya ay nasa origin. Okay? Next, ganito ang itsura ng graph niya. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang radius niya ay 8. Tama? So, ibig sabihin, counting 8 units to the right, by 2 kasi ito eh. So, counting 8 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, andito yung radius niya. This is point 0 and 8. Ito yung mga tatamaang points ng ating circle. Kung gusto mo siyang manual na i-drawing, okay? Basta ang kanyang center nasa origin. Next, going vertically, 8 units din yon. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, isa pa itong point na ito, 0 and positive 8. O, baliktad pala tayo dito. 8 and 0 ito. Correction. 8 and 0 ito. Ito 0 and 8. Okay? So, yan ang dadaan ng points niya. Next, going to the left, 8 units again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, this is point negative 8 and 0. Yan ang dadaanan niya. And then going down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, this is 0 and negative 8. Okay? So, gagamit ka ng compass. If you want to do this manually, gamit ka ng compass. Extend mo yung handang compass mo hanggang dito. Tapos, i-draw mo na yung circle. Okay? Kung gusto mong pakabayani dyan, basta gawin mo. Kung gusto mo siyang i-plot mag-isa mo, make sure ang kalalabasan nito pagka-plot mo ay circle. Okay? Yun, ganun siya. Okay? Again, explain ko mamaya yung way gamit yung app para mas mabilis. Para screenshot na lang. If you want, screenshot nyo na lang. Tapos idikit na yung output. Or, if you want naman, i-sketch nyo siya, gayahin nyo siya. Okay? Next. So, that's it. The given equation is, the center of the given equation is located at the origin, which is 0 and 0, and the radius is 8. Next, determine the center and the radius of the circle, x minus 2 quantity square plus x minus 4 quantity square is equal to 25, and then draw its graph. Okay? Next, clue ulit natin. Paano itong dito? Anong form ito? Is it the center is located at the origin or the center is located at point H and K? Doon tayo sa H and K. Tama? So, if that's the case, kung ito negative, ibig sabihin ng H mo ay positive. Tama? So, H is 2. Next, ito ay negative din. So, ibig sabihin, ang K mo ay positive. So, K is positive 4. And then, yung 25, R square siya ulit. Square root of 25 is 5. Tama? So, ang R value mo ay 5. And then, that's it. The center is located at point 2 and 4. And your radius is 5. So, yun na yun. Yun na yung sagot. Okay? Next example. Next naman tayo, i-sketch mo. Saan yung 2 and 4? 2 and 4 is located at the first quadrant. First quadrant. Tama? So, ito yung first quadrant. Ang center mo ay 2 and 4. Tama? So, paano yun? X mo, 2 and 4. X coordinate mo ay 2. So, mula dito sa center, magbilang ka ng 2 units. 1, 2, eto. And then, you have to shift 4 upwards kasi makikita mo yung y coordinate mo doon. So, 1, 2, 1, should I say you have to move upward. So, 1, 2, dun yon. And then, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, dito yung center natin, 2 and 4. Okay? Mula dito, ano ang radius natin? Ang radius natin ay 5. Tama? So, if the radius ito center, and then radius mo, 5. So, ang radius mo mula dito, count ka ng 5 units. Kung gusto mo man, walang pagdodrawing count ka ng 5 units papuntang kanan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anong point ito? This is 7 and 4. Okay? So, dadaan dyan yung iyong circle. Next, from 2 and 4, pataas, 5 units ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito yon. This is 2 and 9. Next, from the left naman, going to the left naman tayo, 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anong point ito? Negative 2 and 4. Okay? Sa baba ulit naman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito. Positive 2 and negative 1. Okay? So, yan. Kung i-drawing mo yan, make sure it's either gagamit ka ng compass or if you want to sketch it manually, make sure pagka-sketch mo dyan, circle lang lalabas. Okay? So, this is now the graph of the given equation with center located at 2 and 4 and the radius